Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustubh here, and today I will be showcasing top 5 apps for the month of October 2020, and I have picked this app from categories such as productivity, personalization and photography. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and also as per the drill, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and also turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. With that being said, let's get the video started. First app on the list is AirScanner, and going by the name, yes, it is a document scanner. But guys, it is more than a PDF scanner, and one great feature that I really liked is the AI narrator. So it is just amazing. Like,
dear friend, today when a new phone hits the market, we often ask what are its specs.
Just after scanning a document and getting your PDF from the app itself, then the app can narrate that document by reading it with OCR recognition out loud, and it can be really helpful in certain situations. Also, it has a AI dictionary feature. That means like it will scan your entire document, and like you can see in the video, it will show individual words and you can just tap on any word and see the meaning of it. So it is another feature that I really like too. So overall, it is an amazing app to have on our phones, and I would highly recommend you guys to check this app out. Second app on the list is another productivity app called as All-in-One Calculator, and going by the name, it is actually all-in-one. You literally calculate everything from simple or complex calculations to unit and currency conversions, percentages, proportions, areas, volumes, etc. It does it all, and it does it really well. It literally measures volumes of geometric shapes, and one feature that really struck me is that it can measure body mass index as well. So it is like a Swiss Army knife of all the alternative apps that you might have on your phone. So this is one app like all of us should have, and it is really handy to use. So definitely worth checking out. Third app on the list is NotePin, and what it does is that it can directly pin notes to a notification shade, and you can't swipe them just like any normal notification would be swiped, but it stays there on your notification shade, and it is really helpful. Like if you have some important high priority work that needs to be done on an urgent basis, you can just pin it onto the notification shade so that every time you look at your phone, you will get reminded. And I really like this app because it is not just like any normal sticky note app. It is something like it will get pinned to a notification shade and you will never forget about it. Like every time you unlock your phone, you will see it. So it has helped me a lot to get work done on time. So it's a great productivity app and worth trying out. Fourth app on the list is a personalization app called as Liquid Teardown. It is really a cool app, and it gives you an inside look at your phone's internal parts while the phone is charging. So if you have a phone with an AMOLED display, then this will just look really crazy cool, I should say. But guys, as of now, only Samsung and OnePlus and Google phones are supported as of now, but soon other phones will be added as well. This app looks really cool, so just felt like adding it into the list. So this is one hell of a cool charging app worth giving a shot. Fifth and last app on the list is LifeLapse. And judging by the name, yes, it is a time-lapse and stop-motion video making app. Essentially, it simplifies the creation of a personal time-lapse and stop-motion videos, and you can easily capture change over time easily with LifeLapse, or turn your photos in looping videos. So it is really a cool videography app, I should say, because shooting and editing a stop-motion video manually is a complex process. But with the help of this app, you can easily do it, and the end result looks really good as well. So definitely a good creativity app that you guys can try at least once. So that's about it for this video of top 5 Android apps for this month, and all download links to the app have been given in the description down below, and I hope that you have liked all of them. So that's been my time guys, and if you guys have liked what you saw, then please do drop a like down below, and also do get subscribed to my channel for more videos like this. This is your boy Kaustubh here from Tech2Explore signing off. You guys have a great day and keep exploring.